The threads and spin-ons light theory offers a groundbreaking perspective on reality. It strips away the abstractions of modern physics and replaces them with tangible structures. According to the theory, everything in the universe is made of continuous threads and tiny rotating units called spinons. Light is no longer a wave or a particle, it's a thread carrying spinons, and its color or frequency is defined by two factors: how fast the spinons rotate and how many are stacked in a bundle. Red light has fewer, slower spinons. Blue light has more spinning faster. This redefinition eliminates the wave-particle duality and places light into a mechanical, structural framework. One of the most revolutionary insights in this theory is the claim that no two particles are truly identical. Every proton, neutron, and electron is formed by folded threads, much like proteins fold in unique ways. This folding creates structural memory and uniqueness, meaning nature deliberately avoids duplication. This insight dismantles the assumption behind quantum indistinguishability and introduces a new principle. Identity in the universe comes, from structure, not statistical probability. Two electrons may appear similar, but are never 100% alike when examined through their folding patterns and thread paths. The theory also challenges the Big Bang model by proposing a growing universe, not an expanding one. It began not with an explosion, but with a single still thread under vacuum pressure that started to extend, producing spin-ons and forming the first light. This thread has been growing ever since, creating more spin-ons and complexity. Gravity emerges. From thread tension, and black holes are recast as cores, where spin-ons stop spinning altogether. In this view, the universe grows from within, governed by mechanics, structure, and energy encoded in thread and spin-on behavior, not by chance or mystery. Question 1. What determines the color or frequency of light? Answer: the spin rate of spin-ons and how many are stacked in a bundle. More spin-ons spinning faster. Higher frequency, like blue light. Fewer, slower spin-ons. Lower frequency, like red. Light isn't a wave, it's structured motion. Question: why aren't any two particles identical? Answer: each proton, neutron, and electron forms through unique threads folding. Nature doesn't clone. Every fold has memory, geometry, and purpose, just like no two snowflakes are alike. Question: how does this theory redefine the universe's origin? Answer: the universe didn't explode into being. It grew. A single thread began to stretch under vacuum pressure, spinning out the first spin-on. Light. It's still growing. No Big Bang. Just quiet, continuous unfolding. Dive into the 202 question journey that challenges everything. Threads and spin-ons light theory, the structure of the universe. Explained through 202 Q&A available on Amazon. Link below.